Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fenique. I am Fenique of the blog Chic and Chocolate, food, fashion, travel, and today I am doing a Brussels sprouts recipe. Now, I've done a Brussels sprout recipe on my Instagram page. If you're not following me, follow me on Instagram. Same name as the channel. This is Fenique because this is Fenique. And so I've done it on my meal prep Sundays, but I'm bringing that recipe with some slight changes over here to YouTube, mostly because people have said, do you have a Brussels sprout recipe? How do you make Brussels sprouts? I've been getting a lot of those kind of questions from friends and family and on Instagram too. So today, let's make some crispy, actually delicious Brussels sprouts that you can actually eat. Because some of these Brussels sprouts, they're not all made the same, and not everybody eats bacon, unfortunately. Let's go. So there are two ways you can do your Brussels sprouts, in my opinion. For me, it's all about designing the bite, or designing the easiest way for you to inhale the food, however you want to look at it. But I got these from Whole Foods. You can get these shredded, that works, or you can get them whole like this. You can get these fresh, or you can go Trader Joe's. Honestly, it really depends on your budget, but I'm going to show you how to shred them if you get them whole. First, you want to cut the bottom off. That's too hard to eat, so we're not going to eat that. Then it automatically will fall apart. You're gonna run into this, so you just and pull it apart more. Bada bing, bada boom. Also, don't forget to wash your Brussels sprouts if you buy them fresh. You definitely have to wash them because they're always dirty. I like to use this Trader Joe's situation, but make sure you wash them because they will be dirty. Okay, when I buy them in the packages, they're not really ever dirty, so I guess they're pre-cleaned. I don't always trust that either. So, but moving right along. So I like to take a skillet or a pan. I like to coat it with foil, but you don't have to. I spray the foil just so the Brussels sprouts don't stick. Real good. And then I'll put those shredded Brussels sprouts in here. So I'm shredding all the Brussels sprouts. Then I'm going to use one of my favorite oils, which is avocado oil. I buy the spray and the oil. Today we're going to use the spray because it's much easier to use. Highly recommend you buy this avocado oil spray. You can use it in a lot of dishes. It also controls how much oil you use, but we're not paying attention to that. We're going to use plenty in this dish because we want crispy Brussels sprouts. Also, I recommend you buy it at Costco because I always find two really big sized spray cans for like $10 or $11. And honestly, guys, that's a deal. Okay, so because this is a beginner recipe and I want you to actually like Brussels sprouts, we're keeping it simple. It's obviously 6 ingredients, 2 of them being oil and Brussels sprouts. The other 4 will include pepper, salt, oregano, and honey. I'm going to have below just a very specific amount type of recipe, but I want you to try that and then get comfortable figuring out what you like more of. Do you want more pepper? Do you want more salt? Do you want more oregano? I like a lot of oregano, clearly, but I want you to learn what you like and what's best for your taste buds, because I want you to get comfortable eating Brussels sprouts and eating healthy, but still making it taste actually good. So, major key. Next, let's talk honey. Now, if you are watching carbs and sugar, you can either A, say no to honey, or B, just do a tablespoon of honey because that's normally a serving and that's around 16 to 21 carbs depending on the honey that confusing. I found that to be strange, right? Isn't all honey created equal? No, absolutely not. Anyway, my number one favorite trick when it comes to measuring out your honey is to literally spray the measuring spoon, in this case, or cup or whatever you have, and then pour the honey in there, and then drizzle the honey from there over. Because you've already sprayed it with the oil, it's going to come out. You're not going to have to scrape out any honey, and you're going to use all of the honey. No honey left behind here, honey. As you can see, I've added in more honey because that's what I like. And it helps caramelize my Brussels sprouts a little bit more. I popped this in the oven at 425, and voila, this is what you get. Okay, so here we are. I put a little bit on the plate because I am actually ordering out tonight. And I did this recipe because, one, the place I order out from, I order Brussels sprouts from there, but I don't love them as much. Plus they put cheese on them. There's a million ways to make Brussels sprouts, but I'm fairly dairy free. I save all my dairy for dessert. So I'm fairly dairy free, but I personally love Brussels sprouts so much, especially when they're roasted. If you're new to Brussels sprouts, roast them in the oven high so they're crispy. Add honey. You want that umami, feel good taste. If you want to see me make them in a different way, because today I didn't add in apple cider vinegar, but it does give it a kick, and I have made them that way. I'll link the meal prep Sunday video of me actually making it below. Hold on, I gotta fix that. I'll link that below. I meal prep Sunday on Instagram. Sometimes twice a month. Haven't done it in a little while, but I'll get back to that soon because I love cooking. But I just wanted to give you guys like a simple basic recipe. So if you don't have apple cider vinegar in your house, all-purpose seasoning, and all of the fancy things, you more than likely have honey, salt and pepper, possibly oregano, especially if you eat pizza. If you've ever had pizza and didn't put oregano on it, try that. It's so bomb, like bomb. But just give you something simple and easy and kind of a beginner's way of getting into Brussels sprouts. The apple cider vinegar hits though. I will have to say that. But so good, so delicious. You can cook them on 425 or 400, just depends. You cook them on 400, it might take them a little bit longer to get crispy. It just really depends on your oven as well. But Brussels sprouts are the go to, like putting them as a base of a salad. That's the move. And I'm only eating this little bit right now because I'm waiting on my other food to come. And then I'm gonna eat my Brussels sprouts with that kale salad. And I guess I could show you guys what I'm eating later. But that kale salad, and I'm having prawns, and I'm having crispy potatoes and Brussels sprouts, and that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. Kind of treating myself because it's Valentine's Day weekend and I am by myself today. So my Valentine is not feeling well, so stay at home. See you later. Give me a break. But no, it's Valentine's Day weekend and I am at home by myself, treating myself. About to watch Cinderella, Rodgers and Hammerstein Cinderella on Disney Plus with Whitney Houston and Brandy. Guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. If you want to see more recipe videos, comment below. If you want to see more recipes and fashion, and eventually when we can go back outside, travel, subscribe to my channel. Like, what are you waiting on? It's gonna be tons of content coming to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Wednesday because this is a Sunday video.